In the heart of the forest, where the trees sway and the sunlight dances through the canopy, lives one of nature's most agile and curious creatures, the squirrel. These small yet remarkable animals play a vital role in the ecosystem, shaping the very landscape they call home. With over 200 species scattered across the globe, squirrels can be found in forests, parks, and even bustling urban areas. From the iconic red squirrel of Europe to the adaptable gray squirrel of North America, these tiny acrobats have mastered the art of survival. Squirrels are known for their boundless energy and impressive memory. Their diet consists of seeds, nuts, fruits, and occasionally fungi. But what truly sets them apart is their habit of caching food. By burying nuts and seeds, squirrels unwittingly contribute to forest growth, acting as nature's little gardeners. Many of the oak and beech trees standing tall today owe their existence to a forgetful squirrel. The seeds they fail to retrieve eventually sprout, giving rise to new life in the forest. Not all squirrels live among the trees. Ground squirrels, found in open grasslands and deserts, are expert diggers. Their complex burrow systems provide shelter from predators and harsh weather. High in the canopy, the flying squirrel takes to the air, gliding gracefully between branches. Though they cannot truly fly, their patagium, a thin membrane stretching from wrist to ankle, allows them to cover impressive distances. Squirrel mothers are devoted caregivers, hidden within leafy nests called dries. Their young remain sheltered and safe until they are strong enough to explore the world on their own. Play is an essential part of a young squirrel's development. Through play, they sharpen their agility and learn to evade predators. Despite their speed and agility, squirrels are constantly under threat. Hawks, owls, and foxes are ever watchful. In response, squirrels have developed remarkable evasive tactics. A flick of the tail, a sudden freeze, or an erratic dash can mean the difference between life and death. As the sun sets, the forest quiets, but the squirrel remains ever vigilant, preparing for the days ahead. Through their tireless efforts, they shape their environment, ensuring the cycle of life continues. The squirrel may be small, but its impact on the natural world is profound. A symbol of resilience, curiosity, and adaptability, the humble squirrel truly is one of nature's unsung heroes.